Hello everyone. Today we are at 9122 Southwest 38th Avenue in Portland. One car garage, long driveway as you saw. It's in a dead end street, so really quiet here. So we go inside. Go upstairs first, where the bedrooms are. Off to the right here, hardwood floors, brand new, with a wood burning fireplace and a lovely deck right out front as well, to right where we were. It is a wraparound deck, just a little bit here. Go into our backyard. Go back inside here. Lots of space in here. Nice open concept for the living room to the dining room. Just off the kitchen is the coat closet. And a pantry as well. Into the kitchen, beautiful countertops with a double sink. Lots of shelving and cabinetry. To the dining room. We have a little dining room section right over here. Off to the right of the kitchen is another dining room area that goes into the living room where we were just at. Before we go downstairs, we'll go out into the deck, the backyard deck. Lots of room in this backyard. Great undercover, so you can still come outside in the rain, in any weather, and still be nice. Large backyard, fenced in area. This property does accept pets. There are some restrictions for the pets, of course, but we can let you know what that is. Rest of the backyard area right down here. This backyard area wraps around the house, goes down to that fence, and then the fence leads out to the front yard and the front area. All right, back inside, gonna go downstairs to the large downstairs area after we see the bedrooms up here. First of the two bedrooms up here. Kind of a rectangular one. Lots of closet space. The closets are deep. Closets are nice and deep. So lots of storage space in this place. Into the first bathroom, just a normal tub shower combo. And then off the bathroom is the pantry with lots of storage. Into the master bedroom, lots of storage space in here as well. Another bathroom shower tub combo in here. And the second closet that is very deep, and then you look in here, all hardwood floor. Just a nice, beautiful space. Very quiet, very clean, looks out towards the backyard. All right, let's go downstairs and check this place out. While I'm going downstairs, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Other bedroom and the other bathroom are downstairs here. 2,206 square feet. It is available right now. Downstairs, off to the left, is the garage. 1-car garage. Is fairly large, so you can still get storage in here as well. Off to the right of the downstairs is the 3rd bedroom. Lots of closet space. It does look out over the front doorway and front yard area. And then into the extremely large downstairs room. So much opportunity down here to put anything you really want. There's a lot of storage. You could make this a whole other living room, what have you. Off to the end of that room is the washer and dryer. Washer and dryer does go into its own bathroom with a stand-up shower, no tub in this one. And then off to the right is the water heater and another storage area. So lots of storage in this place, lots of rooms. Downstairs is huge. For anything you'd like to do, we'll do another quick little wrap around here. Just off from this bedroom down here is also another storage area underneath the stairs. So lots of storage, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,206 square feet. It is available right now, $2,249 for this beautiful spot to be on a cul-de-sac. So very quiet indeed. RentPortlandHomes.com, fill an application, and rent this place today.